Hi all to who's ever watching this video. Welcome to the presentation of the social media marketing strategy of Cleveland Clinic for Healthcare Promotion. I'm Ishwariya and my mates Rishika and Keerthana will go through all this presentation and give you an overview of social media marketing strategy. So coming to the overview of this presentation, that includes introduction of the healthcare organization, that's a Cleveland Clinic, and all the what are all platforms we have used for analysis, and then the effects of the social media strategy, some recommendations, and then we have gone through the conclusion. Next, mm, the Cleveland Clinic. Coming to the introduction of the Cleveland Clinic, which is a nonprofit academic medical center in Cleveland, Ohio. This is established in 1921 and this provides patient care, research, and education. This was founded by four veterans in by World War One. So the main mission of this Cleveland Clinic is to better care of the sick, investigation of their problems, and more education of those who serve. So this clinic values include quality, safety, empathy, and also serves global patients with locations in Ohio. That's the first ever Cleveland Clinic, and then in Florida, Nevada, Canada, Abu Dhabi, and London. So this specializes in cardiology, neurology, oncology, and many more. Next, coming to what platforms we have used. We all know some social media platforms like Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, LinkedIn, YouTube, and TikTok. We have analyzed all these platforms where we have seen that there are 1.9 million followers in Facebook with daily posts and high engagement. Similarly, 1.8 million in Twitter with daily tweets and mixed engagement. And in Instagram, there are 217K followers, which shows health tips and patient stories. Coming to the LinkedIn, there are professional healthcare insights with 789K followers. YouTube shows Q&A sessions, educational videos with 624K subscribers. Coming to the TikTok, it's a growing presence, only has a 72.8K followers. It's an engaging short form health content. Uh, we have analyzed all these social media platforms which are discussed by my mate Keerthana. Over to you.
So let us first discuss each and every platform separately. So, as per our analysis on Facebook, we've seen that there are 1.9 million followers on Facebook, and there are some links provided and some featured posts related to some regular, some fundraisers, and some posts related to some normal questions of patients and some patient success stories. And we have seen that there is high engagement to patient success stories, which is actually a clever trick used by Cleveland Clinic to get more engagement. They've also provided some contact information and address and also some fundraiser links and also links to videos, events, and more. And there are also some past events mentioned on their Facebook page. So, as per analysis, we found that there could be more improvement in interactive polls and Q&A sessions on Facebook. Facebook mainly catered to audience that is patients more than medical professionals, according to analysis. So coming to Twitter or X, we found that there are similar to Facebook, there are 1.8 million followers on Twitter as well. They have used some interesting graphic content to explain how surgeries are done, which is very informative not only for patients but also medical professionals. And similarly, they have also explained some they have posted some patient success stories, which again had a lot of engagement from people. They have also posted some heartwarming posts related to patient success stories, actually, which has boosted their engagement much more. We found that Twitter is really successful with people based on these success stories, and our suggestion is to increase these success stories even more to improve so to improve patient and people engagement. So coming to Instagram, it is one of the most popular platforms, but unfortunately, we found that there are lesser followers on Instagram compared to other platforms. So that is 217K followers. Um, so they have provided some links to their website and other. They have also posted several series of stories. One of them is Ask the Expert, which we found really interesting because they've posted directly what experts talked about on some important topics. They've also posted some weekly stories on educating patients, like can you exercise after a heart attack, and many other common topics that patients actually need to be educated about. There are also many stories and reels that they've posted and similar content like in other platforms. And following the trend, they also posted the same similar patient success stories. There's also high engagement, but engagement could be improved a lot more compared to other platforms on Instagram. So we have thought that it would be much more useful for them to expand use of Instagram stories for daily health tips and post content even more regularly to get more following. Um so coming to LinkedIn analysis, LinkedIn is a unique platform that not only connects to patients but also connects to medical professionals. So they have this fundraiser mentioned on their page. When you open it directly, you can see the fundraiser, and they have some featured page posts which directly can be seen on their blog, and some past events that have happened. These follow the similar trend of how they've posted on Facebook, and not only catering for patients but also catering for medical professionals. You can see that there are who are employers in and how many people are employed at this organization over here, and they have posted some really interesting topics like some research related posts which are not usually found on their other social media. And the one thing that's constant all through their platforms is that these are patient success stories. It actually garnered a lot of love from patients and people, which has actually boosted their following. And our suggestion for the LinkedIn would be to increase public friendly healthcare policy updates. They're doing pretty well on LinkedIn according to our analysis. So coming to YouTube, it's such an interesting platform because they can post long form content, and they can make use of different other options on YouTube. These are the similar videos that can be found on other platforms like Instagram. These are short form video content, and we could see that engagement is really high. And they've also made experts to talk about them, and many other common posts that could be found on the other social media are found here as well. But one interesting thing is they have made really good use of YouTube Live to make experts talk and to talk about many other important topics. And podcasts, this is another important feature that we found. Podcasts related to normal um, topics, some health related topics that patients can casually listen to and get educated about, and some playlists like how surgery, for example, rhinoplasty, is posted where you can find all the YouTube videos related to it. Our suggestion was to increase more interactive Q&A sessions to increase the engagement. Coming to TikTok, it is also a similar platform to Instagram because it also can be used to post reel like content. These posts are actually similar on other social media platforms. We thought that some variety could be much more interesting for patients who follow all the platforms. And our analysis was that they could improve on posting some trendy reel like content so that it could go viral and it could um, actually get more followers on their TikTok. Now on to my mate Rishika.
Coming to the brief overview of effects of social media strategy. It helps disseminate accurate health information. It builds trust and credibility among patients. It educates the public on preventive health measures. And it also provides opportunities to improve engagement among younger demographics. Some of the potential recommendations for improvement is to increase real-time patient interaction by using question and answer sessions, encouraging user-generated questions and experiences, to enhance Twitter engagement with storytelling, leveraging hashtags and community-driven campaigns, and expand TikTok presence with educational content using trending sounds and collaborate with healthcare influencers, to improve targeted outreach by platform by tailoring content according to the audience needs, and also collaborate with influencers and advocates by featuring their experiences, live sessions, and amplifying their voices across platforms. To conclude, I hope this presentation has provided a comprehensive overview of Cleveland Clinic's social media marketing strategy for healthcare promotion. By analyzing the platforms used, engagement strategies, and areas for improvement, we have highlighted how Cleveland Clinic effectively utilizes social media to educate, engage, and build trust with its audience. Coming to the citations and references, the information presented has been sourced from the listed references, ensuring a well-researched perspective on the topic. Thank you for watching.